and I'm the trainer here at Tech.
And I'm Billy, former trainer and current manufactured product manager. Together we have over 20 years of experience in tire repair training, from passenger to commercial to OTR.
Today we're excited to tell you about our updated balance pads. Tech balance pads are lead-free internal balancing solution. They're applied directly to the inner liner of the tire, providing balance from the inside out, perfect for large tires that demand precision and durability.
We've made an important update to how our balance pads are made. Our new pads now feature Tech's Thermacure cushion gum, replacing the older gray cushion gum compound.
Why the change?
Because Thermacure offers better bonding, greater heat resistance, and consistent performance across both hot and cold applications. That means a permanent, more reliable bond that keeps your balance pad exactly where it needs to be through retreading, extreme conditions, and heavy-duty use. That means a permanent, more reliable bond that keeps your balance pads exactly where it needs to be through retreading, extreme conditions, and heavy-duty use.
Balance pads are ideal when exterior weights can't be used, like on an aircraft, large OTR, or specialty tire. They help ensure a smooth, stable ride, reduce vibration, and extend tire life.
Now, Dylan's going to explain the installation process step by step while I install it so you know how. Let's get started.
At Tech, we're always innovating to help you achieve the safest, most precise tire repairs possible. Today, we're excited to introduce our updated Tech balance pads, designed for use on aircraft, commercial, and OTR tires, where traditional clip-on weights just aren't an option. Tech balance pads are lead-free internal balancing solutions. They're applied directly to the inner liner of the tire, providing balance from the inside out, perfect for a large tire that demands precision and durability. Just like our repairs, our chemicals are formulated to complement the balance pads for a complete installation you can trust. Start by positioning the balance pad on the inner liner in the correct location as identified by the balancer, and trace an outline 1 inch around it. Add hash marks at right angles to help you center it later. Even if you've been installing these or other repairs for a while, we found they really help. Spray the area with Tech 704 Rub-O-Matic and use a 993 scraper. Clean the area several times to remove contaminants. Using a low RPM tool, maximum 5,000 RPMs, and a fine grit buffing rasp like the Tech RH107 Rubber Hog, buff the surface to a smooth, velvety texture. Avoid over-buffing or damaging the liner. This ensures you have the correct surface for the pad to adhere properly. Use a soft wire brush, a Tech S892, followed by a vacuum to clear away all debris. If your surface isn't properly cleaned, then it's contaminated and it's more likely that the pad install will fail. Apply Tech 775 heavy-duty blue vulcanizing fluid to the buffed area. Let it dry for 5 to 7 minutes, a little longer if it's humid. Break the blue poly perforation on the pad and carefully peel back and expose the Thermacure cushion gum, but don't touch it with your fingers. Leave the blue poly sticking out on the side just a little bit. You will pull them out on the next step. Align the center of the pad with your hash marks and press it down firmly from the center outward. Use the Tech 938 stitcher to work from the center outward, removing air and ensuring a full bond. Then pull the rest of the blue poly and repeat the stitching process over the entire pad. Remove the clear poly from the top of the pad. If the tire is tubeless, apply Tech 739 butyl liner repair sealer around the pad edges and any buff surfaces. That seals the repair and prevents moisture or air intrusion. If you're working on a tube-type tire, apply Tech 706-1 tire talc over the balance pad and surrounding area. This prevents sticking between the pad and the tube.
Tech balance pads provide precision, reliability, and performance you can trust. Now with our upgraded Thermacure cushion gum, you'll get even better adhesion and long-term balance, hot or cold.
For more information, training, or to order, visit TechTireRepairs.com or contact your local Tech representative. Because at Tech, we don't just balance tires, we keep your operation rolling safely, smoothly, and efficiently.